Friday, TGIF. And I was just thinking something when I was out picking up stuff. You guys are probably wondering why I lower my voice. Hear it. It's not just, not because I'm out of breath or anything, but I've been getting some stares. I don't think people have caught on to this yet. It's like, why is that guy talking into his phone? You think it's 1986 or something? And I feel like saying, well, why don't you do something crazy like I know you can do, and I'll film that. So, anyway, it's kind of a sloppy, watery, rainy mess, so I'm going to cut this one short. And you all have a good weekend. I'll see you tomorrow. Wow, got some auto activity. It must be Friday afternoon. If you like, press like. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. And